Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. All right, so Yancy here. For those of you who are not familiar with me and you happen to just stumble across my channel, thank you. Stay. Welcome. All right. And while you're here and you're watching, go ahead and subscribe. Leave a little thumbs up for me. All right. I would greatly appreciate that. And then welcome to the family. All right. So I wanted to do a quick little intro because I am going to show you guys the update of the bathroom, everything that went into it. So you guys know, with the house update as far as like the toilets and the pipes and everything like that. So I just want to kind of like quickly update you. After that, I'll just kind of like update you along the way because everything isn't completed. So as of right now, today is February 7th. It's Sunday and they should be coming back. Everything should be completed by this week. So, we did our 90-day follow-up or whatever. They're going to take care of that. They're going to paint everything. So basically what you're going to see now is, the process of how everything went, what we went through, kind of show you, what they took out, stuff like that. And then we'll kind of just, let me say, I'll kind of just, update you later on and just show you everything. The hair is a little bit different, so I'm trying to do something a little bit different. I threw on a little bit of makeup, so that way I do not look completely tired. But either which way, yeah, I'm just doing this intro to kind of show you guys everything that happened with the bathroom. And let me just say, as frustrated as I was, they kind of took care of everything. They fixed everything for us, and they're trying to do a little bit of something for us, which I'm very appreciative for because it was a lot. There was a lot of people coming in. It literally looked like if they were first kind of like, doing the house and everything like that. So it was crazy. But like I said, they really definitely did what they could to make the best of the situation, given the situation or whatever. So either which way, I do say, or I will say that I'm very, very grateful for that. And no complaints because everything is pretty much, getting fixed or whatever like that. So I keep messing with this hair because it's a little curly thing. I like it. Let me know what you think. All right. So either which way, yes, this is the intro to the update for the bathroom. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up, you guys. Welcome back. This is what we're starting with, the bathroom, because I did want to just kind of I did want to show you guys. I wanted you to kind of see, everything. And then, we'll go from there. All right. So I have some updates with some furniture I'm excited about. Kind of, sort of, because the color, it was just, we'll talk about that later. All right, family. So either which way, let's get into the bathroom. And as always, subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. I truly appreciate you. Go ahead and click that button. Go ahead and click the bell notification. That way, every single time I upload, you guys will see it. All right. So happy Sunday. It is Super Bowl Sunday. Yes, I'm still irritated because my Bills did not win and go to the Super Bowl, but we always have next year. All right. So enjoy your Super Bowl safely as possibly as you can. Enjoy. All right. I will talk to you guys in the next video. All right. Bye-bye. Okay, you guys, so for 2 days, this is what we heard. It was jackhammering early in the morning, so it was a little bit irritating because the kids had just gone back to school after the holidays. For 2 days straight, everybody got woken up to this sound, and it actually was louder than what you can hear now. Christmas decorations are up because normally I take them down January 5th, but with everything happening, because they started right after New Year's, I didn't even bother. So yeah, I was irritated.
Day one.
It really does look like when you first came in. All right, you guys. So basically, everything was taken down. Mirror was taken down. It was put into the shower. They had to dig into the ground, the floor into the ground, remove the tile, remove the cement. As you can see, the mirror, the toilet, the trimming, everything is in the shower currently. That gray piece right there was broken from a piece of the cabinet, so of course that had to be replaced. All of the pipes from the sink, toilet is all in the shower, so it's really just disastrous. Nothing else to say but disastrous. All right, this is the current state of the house. Do not mind the Christmas decorations because we have not taken it down yet because we have not had time. Everything just been happening so quickly and I'm not going to stress about it because I like to see it up anyway. But that is the bathroom sink. That is the bathroom cabinets. And this is the leadway to what they're doing as far as like coming in through the back to put the cement down. And everything you see here is kind of what I, positioned of where I want certain things. Sofa, dining room table, chairs, and some accent chairs. So currently this is the state of the bathroom. Yes, we have a huge plastic tarp up. We taped off the vents because it literally is horrible. It smells like cement. It smells bad. This currently is what it's looking like right now. So they took the mirror off, drywalled everything, whatever. Tiles are on back order, so they have to come back and do that. So that's what we have. They fixed everything from all of the pipe running from here all the way through here. There was also a crack in the pipe that one of the plumbers found, so they fixed that. Problem on top of problem on top of problem. So yeah, this crack, I guess they needed to get to it. Don't know what happened there, but when they were kind of like jackhammering in here, the pressure of them jackhammering kind of went through the garage. So now that piece needs to be fixed as well. Don't like the way that is. Everything looks horrible, but bright side is they are bringing someone. The mirror is still intact, thank God, but they are bringing someone in to clean. Went ahead and sealed the door off so no dust kind of gets in there, but this is where we are. I'm not too much worried about it. I am worried about everything kind of going down the drain. It is covered right now, but once you start doing that, it's going to look horrible. But yeah, this is my bathroom, you guys. This is my shower. That's my vanity mirror. And yes, I have Halloween leggings on. It is what it is. But yeah, this is what we're looking at. Literally dust everywhere, as you can see. Not too happy, but it is what it is. Like I said, it'll get cleaned off and everything like that. But the one thing I just take away from it is that I'm glad we found it. So that way it's not costing us a ton of money later on down the line. But I am upset about it because one, you have people coming in and out. We all have to stay upstairs. They're putting down all of this and it really, really smells. It's a strong smell and it's kind of like carrying up You have literally all of this. You can't see it right now because the light is on, but you have all of this cement, dust, dirt, and everything like that on the light fixture. So again, understand my frustration, very upset because at the end of the day, this all could have been avoided had everybody taken a look at it beforehand. But again, this is just what's leading off into the room, and we had that put up so that way when they were kind of like getting into the cement, no dust kind of went in there. So yeah, that's where we are. And that's it. All the decorations are coming down Saturday. But yeah, right now I kind of like sectioned off what I felt was going to be the dining room table that I wanted. The train is in the way, so don't worry about that. But hopefully I can find what I want. I wanted a dining room table from Pottery Barn, but it was really short, so I didn't want to get that one. I thought it was longer, but it's not. So I'm thinking about a different one right now. And then this is where, literally where the sofa is gonna be. So yeah, that's actually where the sofa, starting from here, is gonna be. So a good size. I think it's about 83 inches. But that's it. That's my bathroom cabinets. That's my bathroom sink. And those are still my Christmas decorations because I haven't taken anything down. But like I said, I like to see it. So it is what it is. It'll come down. Yep, still got my swatches right there. All right, you guys. See you later.